Good morning, guys. So, si William gusto niyang magdala daw siya ng lunch sa school today. So, yung pinawakan ko sa kanya, gusto niya ng pancit canton, rambutan at saka chips. Ipagyan ko nito. It's mini pretzels. Bantay lagi dito. Dito yung kanton. Kakain kasi siya ng ano, guys, ha? Kumakain siya ng rambutan. Kaya pinabaunan siya and then gusto din naman niya. Bumili ako ng water bottle na same ng ganito na design. Para terno. Tsaka guys, ilagay ko dito. Look! Ayan yung water niya. Lagyan ko na lang ng water muna. So, may pipilapan ako. Kasi kahapon lang nila binigay. Tapos ngayon yung field day. So, same day din ipapasa ni William. Kasi baka nakalimutan ng teacher niya ba. And may ano pa sila. Hand dog decades dance. Tapos may ano sila. Ito yung field trip nila. Pero ano pa, November 6 pa sila. Yun pala yung field trip. Akala ko field trip today. Field day pala. What's your name? What gonna... Tingnan nyo nga yan si Willan, no? Inopen niya yung door, tapos dagan siya dito nga. Pero yung tagnawa. It's cold. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, but it's cold. Come on, let's go.
No.
Don't say no to me.
No.
Really? Really? Di pa talaga ako tapos maglaba, guys. So, ilulunod ko na yung damit ko para pag katapos ko mag-ano ko, William, magtupi na naman ako sa mga blanket. Tapos yung mga damit ko na naman ilagay sa dryer. Waylon, you wanna eat, Waylon? You wanna eat cereal? Oh, I told him that gave it to you so that you can read. Come on. Read that. That's a nice koan. See? Close the door, William. Hold mommy, William. Hold mommy, come on. Hold mommy, because you need to. Here. Come here. Willan, we sleep. Watch out, the car is. Come on, let's go. No, Willan, no. Cheese. Willan. Si Willan, ayaw niyang magpa-hawak ng kamay while walking. Call. William. Call Kuya. Say, Kuya. Kuya. no. Yeah. Go dito nga sa William. Hi, William. Sana. Oh, Spider-Man. Nice, Spider-Man. Huh? William, are you excited for your field day today? Bird, hi bird! Ang ganda ng panahon, guys. Malamig na, mainit yung araw. Oh my gosh, at tingara man sa tanim mo. Are you gonna dance? No. You have event, man. You have like hand dog dance. Dance ulan. Bye, bye, bye. Look. Tanawa si kuya. Na na na. Careful, William. Careful, kay naalala. Naan siya na kayo mga ambi. Ambi ba? Hi, Wilon. Naon sa ka, Wesley? Can I see Wes? Ay, William? Wala man good. Ay, say sorry, William. Say sorry. Say sorry. Hug him. Say sorry. Come on. Say sorry and hug him.
Wow. Can I go? Wow.
Sa Wilon?
Wow.
Hello. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Mag-aantay talaga kami sa bus, guys. Minsan kasi yung bus nandito mga 7:25 to 30. Oh, William, the bus is here now. Na hi, bus.
Bye.
Hi, bus.
Bye.
Hi. Bye-bye, William. William is busy. Say bye-bye, William. Yes.
Mama.
Bye, William.
Mama.
Bye, William. Bye-bye, How about you? Let's go. Ay, not yet. Kaya na-apek. It's cold? Saan man na? Ha? Oh, come on. Si Wesley nilalamig. Hold. Oh, hug kuya. Kasi he's cold. Come on, hug kuya. Ha? Kuya ride a bus? Ha? Kuya William? Ooh. Next time, Wesley na food. Diling ano man? Na problema talaga siya. Hindi daw siya maka sa school kasi he doesn't know how to poop daw. Ha? Oh, you don't know how to poop? It's okay because you will learn, man. Today, we're gonna do like no diaper again. Ali na. Ali, hurry up. Ang manghod gaon na. Wait, no. Okay, hold kuya. Hold kuya. Pag may ano pala ako, guys. Food. Come here, that's dirty now. Kung may stroller pala ako, gusto ko mag-walking. Ang ganda ng panahon. Okay, hold kuya here. Let's go. Wait lang. Ala ka, sige ka. Ganahan ka, kain ka. Tingnan niyo yung puno, guys. Oh, malapit na siyang mahimo ko kada bitang like orange something. So kumusta nga pala yung ano ni William no field day? Ngayon dumating naman si Tom kaya siya yung nagbabantay ng mga bata. And dito lang muna ako naglakad-lakad. Lakad-lakad muna tayo. Bus. Nandito na yung bus. Sakto lang yung pagdating ko, guys. Hi, William! Hi.
My friend gave me this.
Thank you.
Water dipping something.
So you should wear like red?
Yeah, I got rid of.
Okay. Yeah, 4 of you is wearing it. Bye-bye. William.
Can he come over, Mommy?
Maybe because I'm planning to take you guys to the park.
I don't want to go to the park.
And then you tell your daddy then. You ask your dad.
What?
So you're supposed to wear a red one? I forgot. Yes or no?
No, I didn't know.
Hey, where are you going? That's not our house. So, what did you do today, Di? Come here, ba? I'm talking to you.
We did 14 games.
Kanya, nadaog mo.
No.
Huh?
It's not like a race, but some of them were a race.
Asa ka? And then, naansa naman? Nag-play ka, naligaw ka. Ha? Did you have fun? That's good. Yan yun sa man yung teacher. Oh, your teacher. I got email from your teacher because I asked her about the t-shirt. Remember? What did you...
Mommy.
Agay!
But Mommy, she said the kind of markers like those drawing markers.
Drawing markers?
Yeah, those color.
Oh,
markers.
careful.
Those color drawing markers.
Okay, I will get it, but you can bring it on Monday. And then tomorrow, no class tomorrow. It's open. Masaya si William, walang klase bukas. Favorite niya. He always forgot his like water bottle, lunchbox. Right, William? This time it's complete. Congratulations. Congrats. It's complete, boy. Can you change your short pants?
You didn't tell me your friend's name. Brandon. Brandon? That's a good name, Tom. Nice to meet you, Brandon.
He's nice, but William, he said.
You're supposed to stay in there. That's not me.
Oh, okay. He was like, tell me if someone bully you, William. Halloween is coming, so you're gonna have a lot of chocolate and candies.
Mommy, are we gonna decorate the house?
No, it's is the neighborhood do trick or treating?
Yeah.
Huh?
Do they do trick or treating?
They do?
I want to do trick or treating with Brandon.
I don't think they're doing it right now. I think they're doing it Halloween.
So you're gonna have a lot of candy. Where did you get that candy, Wes? Did you get that from the school? Wow. So you get candy from the gate, from the like.
No, I got this because I was being good. I got a little short. Yeah.
High five. Good boy.
I can't see it.
Ay, good job, eh.
Make me 30.
We can play.
It depends. Waylon is so cute, guys. Alam nyo, pag mag-short pants siya, iyan tanggalon.
Help me read.
Mag-ano tayo? Garlic shrimp. Yes. Are you gonna cook something? Okay. Look at guys. Ang lalaki ng mga shrimp. Oh. Grabe kadad ko. Masarap to anuhin. Garlic shrimp. Waylon, stay here, Baba. Kalimot, hindi ko gluto o kanon. Waylon, no. Ayan guys, nilagyan ko ng butter and garlic. Konti lang kasi konti lang din naman yung shrimp na lulutuin ko. Ayan. Dag ko kayo no? Like ang laki-laki talaga. Eh, tira ka bo. Hold sa ano niya. So, like it's $1 each. Benta ka ng Sprite. This is William's favorite, guys. Shrimp.
I like it.
Yan. So, he just done eating like what's that called? Hamburger
Hamburger cheese.
Hamburger cheese, pasta. And now he wants to eat more.
He's that like it.
Huh?
He's that like it.
Favorite kasi niya yung shrimp. Naano talaga ako sa shrimp kasi ang laki-laki niya talaga. Oh. Yan, ang laki-laki. Okay. Okay. Hug mo, baby. Thank you. No, that's in it.
Huh?
That's in it. Hug, mommy. Hug, mommy. Ala, kiss, mommy. Daghan, mommy. Daghan, kiss, mommy, baby. Oh, in it. Kiss, daghan, baby. Daghan, ala. Ayan, sakto na siguro to guys. Oh. Okay na ni. Lami na ni. Tikman natin guys.
You can't have the gum. That's not the cookies. It's not the cookies. That's not the...
Oh my gosh. Masarap to. Ilagay yung kanin dito. Mamaya na. Hindi pa kasi naluto guys. Look at this kid. He's so busy. Waylon. You're so busy, Waylon. Isapot mo niya among bibi. Uy, no, lagi. Wala siya ka nag-short pants ay. Mga dyan kinahugok. Mommy gonna eat. Mommy's hungry.
Eat?
Yes.
Eat?
Yes. Lamig ni guys. Masarap to ilagay sa ano. Yung sabaw ng shrimp pa. Excuse me, Ben. Excuse me. Asa ka? Mami will... Hindi mo siya mapabutangan naman ka. Ha? Iwan na hawag, mami? Okay. Okay, done. Thank you. Guys, ready na yung suka at saka kanin. Let's go eat! Pero yung nakakatawa guys, ako magkutsara nito. Wow, wow, wow! So yummy! Lamig yung sabaw. Wailan. No way. Dako kayo ang shit. Suka pa ha? Bukas may lulutuin na naman tayo. Luto tayo ng adobo. Pork adobo. Sige guys, kain muna ako. And see you later na lang pagkatapos kong bihisa ng mga bata at saka patulogin. Bye bye!